Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you that aren't, welcome back. So nice to have you all here. Today we have a different kind of unboxing, but very exciting nonetheless, because I've been getting quite lucky on confirmed / sneakers. So hopefully my luck stays. I don't know about you guys, so let me know down below what you guys have been able to pick up recently. But I'm very excited about this because I was not able to get the pink Bad Bunny Adidas forums, but I was able to get the all black ones. I still want the pink ones, so
if you guys see a deal, please let me know.
But yes, I'm also trying out a different type of unboxing, so if you guys prefer this, let me know. Or if you guys prefer me sitting at the table, also let me know. Also, if you are one of my very loyal subscribers, thank you first of all. And second of all, I'm really sorry I didn't upload last week. I was not feeling well, I was very nervous, and I couldn't eat food, so that did not go over well, and you probably would not have wanted to see me on camera because it would have been ugly. So anyways, let us get into this unboxing. I got this a while ago, but I did not open it, and I'm very excited to see these in person. I did an unboxing of the pink Bad Bunny shoes, the Easter egg ones, but I had to return them. So I do have a comparison of the First Cafe and the Easter eggs. I don't know why I'm not able to think.
Oh, it's because I didn't finish my coffee yet.
Okay, here she is. I don't remember it coming with like a cardboard. There's like a cardboard slip on top of this one, which I don't remember being on my First Cafes. But also that was a while ago, so maybe I just forgot. I don't know. Okay. Okay, here she is, box, just like every other Bad Bunny box, and woo! Yes, I know, Fernie, you want to see that this is not for you, okay? Fernie's in here. Fernie, no, out of here. Fernie, out of here. So you get the very iconic second tongues, third tongues, and black laces. What laces are on it? Aren't there black laces on it already? They have green tips on these, and they say Bad Bunny. You also get the dust bag with Adidas logo and the Bad Bunny logo, and I love it. Pretty. I love these. At first I wasn't sure that I would like them. Well, before the First Cafe came out, but when I got them in hand, I was very happy about it. These I love. These with the pink laces from the Easter egg. Tell me that's not the best combination.
Prove me wrong.
But anyways, I absolutely love these. They have the yellow contrast little boost on the bottom of the shoe with the bunny underneath. If you can see, you have all black sole, all black everything. It still has really nice suede. The material of this is very, very nice, very similar to the, so side by side you can see First Cafe, all black. I really, really like these. Honestly, the materials look just as nice. So the laces that are currently on the shoe, let's see. They just have black tips with a light green BB, it says, for Bad Bunny. I love it. I wish these came with more laces. The pink Easter eggs and the First Cafe came with 3 sets of laces, but these only came with 2, and they're pretty much the exact same. So I don't know why they did that on this. Also, there's a lot of glue, it looks like, on the interior of the shoe here. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but I will put up close video of this and on feet for you guys to take a look. But the materials overall are just as nice as the First Cafe. I did order the Easter eggs that I had for the moment from goat, and I returned them because they seemed off to me, but the materials were, I guess, good and just felt, I don't know, didn't feel right, so I got rid of them, and I'm still trying to get them back, so you know how that goes. You also have the Yo Visto Así on the Velcro, as we have on all the other Bad Bunny shoes. You have suede all around the toe. On the middle 3 stripes here, I don't know if you can see, middle 3 stripes. You have suede on the like strap here, all through the back. You have this nice little tightener thing that really doesn't do much, honestly, if you tighten it or not. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, I really like these. I'm very glad I was able to hit on these. I hope that I can hit on them again, and I hope he does more colors, because honestly, I really like these. These are definitely a great neutral to have, but the pink and the First Cafe, I just think the colors are much more appealing. And I think if he did like a baby blue, I think somebody did a mock-up on Instagram of like a baby blue in these. Oh, that would be stunning. I hope he does that, but we'll see. He's definitely going to come out with more. But yeah, I will put some up close video of these and some on feet for you guys to take a look at it. Guys, well, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed. That way you can be a part of my little family here. Let me know what you guys thought of this, if this setting is better for you or if you prefer the table. Let me know, because I'm still trying to figure everything out here and get myself all settled in. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye!